going on, guys? So I'm detailing my car right now. I'm just cleaning it out, actually not really detailing it. I'm just doing an interior clean because I haven't cleaned it in a few weeks or months. I actually lost count. But right now I'm doing the interior. I already got started on it. I'll show you guys what it looks like. This is what it looks like. That's before, and I already did like over here, so that's like after. And that's just like a vacuum. I gotta do here, basically the passenger, the rears, and the driver. So I'm gonna do that. I'm also gonna treat the seats right now with the leather cleaner and clean up the door cards and show you guys like what I use and to keep the interior looking really clean. If you guys look at my dashboard, you guys can see it's like really shiny and clean. I'll show you guys what I use and how I keep them looking really nice and fresh. So yeah, without ado, let's get back into it. What's up, guys? Checking in. Just got done vacuuming. So interior is fully vacuumed, both front and back. And I'll show you guys. It looks 100 times better. Seats are vacuumed. We go over here. Same thing. Seats vacuumed. Bottom right there. Behind the floor mats vacuumed. Everything. So now we're gonna go ahead and give it a wipe down, and then I'll just show you guys what I use for the leather cleaner. And we also will put a conditioner on the leather seats along with the door cards, because this material here is a leather laminate. Show you guys, I don't think the video will do it justice, but this is what it looks like after the treatment. And I'll show you guys what I use in the end. You guys can see the door cards and everything like that. And this is before. So instead of that plain matte black kind of dirty look, I have a glossy, and it protects, it cleans, and it also polishes the leather and restores it back to like almost brand new. Like a lot of the cracks right here, I just gotta hit it some more, and then you'll see it kind of starts to fade away and it softens up the leather. Okay, so update on the interior. This is with the treatment. You guys can see it front, the passenger, the handle, door cards, also the back seat. Back seat being the biggest one, you'll see the biggest difference here. And then check it out, all on the headrest and everything. So yeah, and what I use is basically this right here. So Chemical Guys Leather Quick Detailer. It cleans, it restores, and it protects. And then all you need to do is a little sponge, and you just clean it. So you guys can see that. Right now I'm gonna put the other one, which is a conditioner, and I'll keep it like this for a couple of days, and I'll keep it soft and protected. So just got done applying the conditioner to the entire interior, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. It might be hard to tell because it's a black interior and then the camera quality, but basically the conditioner will make what you applied before stay a bit longer and make it make your seat softer. So you apply it to your steering wheel once it's all leather, or if it's a leather vinyl. So seat, steering wheel, also your door cards. Apply it to your handrest right here. And then you can also apply it to your dash. My dash is a very soft vinyl, so you can apply it there too. You can see the passenger seat, same thing with the door cards. Check it out. So back, you can see it very well. Basically glitters. But top, bottom, and also door cards. Use is the Chemical Guys Leather Conditioner. You guys can see, and basically the same thing applies. You just use a little sponge. So these work hand in hand. First you want to use this, and then you apply this after the fact. Make sure before you apply any of these, you wipe those seats down and vacuum it to make sure that you get all the debris and everything off of it. So that's something I like to use, especially for leather interiors. It makes it look like brand new again, and it keeps it soft and protected, especially how I live in Florida. The sun rays are extremely crazy, and dangerous towards the leather seats and anything really in your car. So by having those, it protects it and keeps it looking brand new. So for all the plastic that they're going to be wiping down, make sure you wipe them down before you apply any of this, or else you're just going to be rubbing dirt into it, and it wouldn't look that great. So what I use is this AMORALL, and it's basically the little wipes. So I'll show you. This is it. You can get these anywhere really. This is a value size original protectant wipes. So it gives your plastic, basically it makes it look like brand new, and you use this anywhere where you see like hard plastic, black plastic, any colored plastic. These door cards here inside these little cubbies. You have a big piece of plastic right here. You use that, goes around, wraps around all the way to the back. Your little center stack right there. Inside these cup holders, again, inside these little cubbies right here. Also use it for right here underneath the steering wheel and on your centerpiece. That's basically very versatile. Once, make sure that you wipe it down first before you apply any of these, because then it will just look very gunky and not that good if you're wiping dirt onto that. So now I'm going to show you guys what I use if I were to clean the windshield on the inside, all the windows and stuff. They say it will be this invisible glass. Like I said, you can get these things anywhere, and I'll show you. Like I said, invisible glass. You use one of these and very soft microfiber. This is how it looks at the aftermath of all of these products. You guys can see steering wheel, all the seats, door cards, cubbies. Again, over here, you'll see it the most. Back seats, brand new, almost. And then back there, mats, again, door cards, basically all brand new with just a few products. This is basically will make your car look like it's a brand new car. All of these products you can actually pick up from your local Walmart or Target or something along those lines, and they're relatively cheap. You don't have to go too far to get them. So it makes your interior look like it's completely new, brand new. It smells good, and it works great under like the elements such as like the sun where I live, which is one of the biggest problems. You get a lot of cracks and stuff. So these items work very well, and I've been using them for a while, and these are the items that I have seen that progressed the best out of what I've used in the past. Basically, what you want to do is you just get a cloth, wipe everything down first, and then you use this for the seats and all your leather seats, door cards, anything like that. And then you use this to basically enhance the look and the features of what this does, which is clean, restores, and protects. And you would use this for all your plastics, and then this is for your glass. These are only what you need, and then you have your microfiber and your little sponge here. Basically, that's what all you need to basically make your interior look like it's brand new, fresh from the showroom. Thank you for tuning in, guys. This is just a quick video, show you guys how I keep my interior looking clean and brand new at all times. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you guys use and what you guys want to see next when it comes to car related. All right, thank you guys, peace.